Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to restrict someone without blocking them. So let's start the video. First of all, let's move on the Facebook. Here's the Facebook. Next you have to move on this three dot line. No need to move on three dot line, you just need to move on Messenger. After that, suppose I wanna block this messenger, the first one who sent my message, or restrict, then you can just need to move on here. Where is the option? I think you have to click under this option. Okay, I click on under it. Then next you have to click on its profile. Then next you have to scroll on the down, and here you are going to find the restrict. Then from here you can restrict this person, and without blocking this person you can restrict. Okay, it says limit your interaction, hide your activity, unrestricted anytime. If you wanna unrestrict, you can unrestrict it anytime. See, I have restricted this person and it's restricting, and here this person has been restricted. And if you wanna unrestrict, then you can unrestrict in this way. Okay, so friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.